Welcome to our YouTube channel, me Madan. Today I'm going to show you how to insert table of content. No need to type. In this video, today I'm going to make some proposal or report writing. After the report writing, I'm going to make a table. How we make a table by easy way. Please watch this video till to the end and do not forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Let's start now. This is my report. Here is the introduction and the background of study, and then other. Aroundly I have a 3 of 9 page. I am in page number 3 and almost I have a 9 pages. I have to make a table of content. How to make? Shall I type or what to do? The one thing is that do not type your table of content. Do not type your table of content of any report or any thesis or anything you are going to make a proposal like that. Anything. The table of content will be automatically appear. Please follow this step. Okay. Let's start. The background 1.14 background of the study is here, and I put it here, heading 1 here. Just right click one here, modify, and then you can choose here the Time New Roman and font size 14. For the more format, you have to click on format and then go to the font and then change the Time New Roman font and font style bold, and then the size is 14. And then second step, the Time New Roman, just select here and regular and font size 14. Okay, after that click on OK. If you want to modify more, then click on format, go to the paragraph, and you can space different between your text and your line. Then you have to select here. I select here 18 before and 4 after, and then the line spacing is only single, and then I click it in OK, then click it in OK. Now the background, it means the heading 1 is here. Go to the down of the page and select the second heading, it's also 1. Click on heading 1. Same, we will do all the headings like this here, heading 1, and then again down, heading 1. Yes, same as review, heading 1. I make the selection of heading 1. All the title of page I make heading 1. Okay, this one nothing because it will not come on table of content. So I will click it here, then it will show here heading 1. It means it should become on title table of content. Okay, now after this I will go to these pages, friends, and then table of content, and I will select one table of content. If you want to choose more table of content, then custom table of content, it will be available here, and you can select the style. If you want to say here no, then the preview, it will not show dot line. If you want to show dot line, then it will show like this type of dot line. And other format here also, classical view you can see here, and then the density, and then fancy. What style do you want to make? Formal. Okay, but I will put here classic or simple, which one you like. You can select it from here, from template. Okay, I will select this one and then click on OK. Now you can see here the background of the study. You can see here the table of content is here, available here. Check it here. This is the table of content, and the page number is came here. All the heading also come here. If you choose or if you make the type of table of content, then it will takes more than half an hour for this one, and the page number will not be exact. If you want to modify this one, just click it here, then here, select it here, and then go to the home and the tiny new font size and font size 12. Finished. This is the easiest way to make the table of content on while making report writing, proposal or thesis, anything. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I will bring such type of video more and more for that purpose. For those, please subscribe it. Thank you.